Here's the truth that YouTube gurus will never tell you. Most faceless YouTube channels will never work. They'll never make you real money, even if your videos go viral. Like this channel here. Their videos have gotten over 1 million views, and many of their videos have gotten over 100,000 views. But they only make about $800 a month. And it's not because the people running them are lazy or picked a bad niche. It's because the entire way they've been taught to build a channel is designed for creators who already have an audience. The advice that works when you've got 500,000 subscribers and years of data behind you will actively hurt you when you're starting from zero. Nobody explains that because the people giving the advice are the ones it works for. So here's exactly what the faceless channels that actually make money are doing differently, step by step. It starts with a part of YouTube that most beginners get completely wrong. YouTube's algorithm is not on your side when you're small. Every guru says, just make great content, and the algorithm will find your audience. That's not how it works. YouTube's recommendation system decides who to show your video to based on data, who watched it, how long they stayed, what they watched before and after. When a channel has 500,000 subscribers, YouTube has millions of data points telling it exactly who that audience is and where to find more people like them. When your channel has 12 subscribers and 3 videos, YouTube has almost nothing to go on. It doesn't know who your audience is because you barely have one. Even if your video is better than what's already out there, the algorithm can't figure out who to show it to. Just make great content doesn't solve that problem. The channels that actually grow from zero don't sit around waiting for the algorithm to figure them out. They go straight to search. When someone types a question into YouTube's search bar, the algorithm doesn't need any history on your channel to show them your video. It just needs your video to match what they searched for. A brand new channel with 0 subscribers can rank for a search term on their very first upload if the title matches the query, the content answers the question, and the viewer stays long enough for YouTube to confirm it was a good result. That's why the channels that grow fastest from zero aren't the ones making whatever they feel like and hoping browse traffic picks it up. They're the ones targeting specific searches where people are already looking for answers. And this connects directly to how much money you can make, because someone who searched for something and found your video is a completely different viewer than someone who stumbled onto it while doom scrolling. The person who searched has intent. They have a problem. They want a solution. And if your video gives them that solution and there's an affiliate link in the description for the tool that helps them, they're far more likely to click it than someone who was just passing time. This is where most faceless channel advice falls apart. Gurus tell you to pick a niche by looking at what gets the most views. They'll show you channels with millions of views and say, do what they're doing. But here's what those videos never mention. A channel in the entertainment niche getting 500,000 views a month might be making $1,000 from ads and 0 from everything else. A channel in the software tutorial niche getting 30,000 views a month could be pulling $3,000 from ads and another 5,000 from affiliate links. 16 times fewer views, 8 times more money. The difference comes down to one thing. The second channel's viewers showed up looking to buy something, and the first channel's viewers showed up looking to kill time. And if you want to find those buyer intent niches before you build anything, I put together a free resource called the AdSense Escape Kit. It's got the exact AI prompts I use to find keywords where viewers are already ready to spend money, fact-check scripts before they go live, and hook viewers in the first 30 seconds. Everything you need to build a channel that earns from day one without waiting for AdSense. Completely free. Link is in the description. So, when the profitable faceless channels pick a niche, they're not asking what gets views. They're asking 3 different questions. First, are people searching for this on YouTube? Because if they're not searching, you can't use search traffic to grow from 0. Second, are there products in this niche with affiliate programs that pay real commissions? Because if there aren't, you're stuck relying on AdSense, which means you're stuck relying on YouTube. And third, can I make at least 50 videos in this niche without running out of topics? Because you need a library of content for the search traffic to compound over time. A niche needs to pass all 3, or it's not worth your time. Personal finance for a specific age group passes all 3. Software tutorials for small business owners passes all 3. Pet care for specific breeds passes all 3. Gaming commentary fails the second one because there's almost nothing to sell. Meditation music fails the first because nobody's searching for a specific meditation channel. Celebrity gossip fails the third because the topics are trending today and gone tomorrow. Once you've got the right niche, the channels that make money do something that most beginners skip entirely. They research before they create. Before they write a script, before they open an editor, before they record a single word of voiceover, they figure out three things. What specific search terms are people typing into YouTube in this niche? Which of those searches have demand, but not enough good content serving them? And what's the best video they can find on each topic, so they know what they need to beat? You can do this for free with YouTube's own search bar. Type the first few words of a topic and look at what YouTube suggests, because those suggestions are real searches that real people are making right now. If you type best way to, and YouTube autocompletes to best way to cook a steak, and best way to lose belly fat, and best way to learn Spanish, each one of those is a video you could make. Click on the top results for each suggestion and look at what's already there. If the top videos are outdated, poorly made, or don't actually answer the question well, that's your opening. If the top results are from big channels with polished production and millions of views, move on to a different search term where the competition is weaker. That research step is where the money is actually made, not in the editing. I tested this exact process, and it's the difference between a channel making $800 a month and one making $8,000. A video on the right topic with an average edit will outperform a beautifully edited video on a topic nobody's searching for. The creators who understand this spend 60 to 70% of their time on research and planning, and 30 to 40% on production. Most beginners do the opposite. They pour all their energy into making the video look good, and almost none into figuring out whether anyone's going to search for it. And there's one more piece that the profitable channels get right from day one. They treat thumbnails and titles as part of the research phase, not the final step. Before they write the script, they already know what the title is going to be and what the thumbnail is going to look like, because the title and thumbnail are what determine whether anyone clicks in the first place. If you write a script and then try to come up with a title afterward, you're working backward. The profitable channels start with the click. They find a search term with demand, write a title that answers that search and makes someone want to click, design a thumbnail that supports the title, and only then do they write the script. The whole process is built around getting the click first and delivering value second, not the other way around. Most faceless channels aren't failing because the creators aren't working hard enough. They're failing because they're following a playbook that was written for channels that already have an audience. If you're starting from zero, you need a different playbook, and now you know what's in it. The AdSense Escape Kit in the description gives you the prompts to start executing it today. It's free.